I mean, it's fascinating, and it's been a learning journey. You make it sound so simple, but I'm quite sure it was a lot of sleepless nights. One of the points that we get to very often, though, with creating an innovation to the point where you're about to commercialize, can you capture the value? And it seems to me one of the bells that's ringing is, of course, your grandfather patented this, but those patents will have run out. Could you talk a bit about how you're protecting this great idea so that you can capture the value from it as you go forward?
Yeah, it was surprising to us to know that he actually filed 3 patents. We know now that we knew then that it's very expensive to maintain all these patents, especially if you're doing it in all over the world. It's so expensive. So we thought long about our strategy going forward, because you get so many advice. You have to have patents on every part of your technology, or the other side is it's all about branding. Just get to the market first, and then the patents doesn't matter. But we decided, since his patents were expired, they had gone over the 20-year limit, we decided to at least explore the opportunity of getting a new one based on all the new development that we had done. So we got a good deal through some connections here locally, and then explored our options and saw that we actually have a good opportunity to file another patent, which is it's a fairly broad one, which is a point to have it as broad as possible, so no one can intrude in your area of technology. And then after a process, we decided to go through with it and apply for one of the patents. So now it's a long process, but when you file the patent, it's secured from that point. So now we're waiting for the final approval. And especially what we see from the heavy partners who wants to invest, for example, it's very important for them that we have the patent. They don't ask so much what does the patent include. It's not but it's the patent stamp that's important. So just to be able to answer yes on that question has opened a lot more doors than the patent has closed financially. So it seems like a good strategic decision for our part, who is in the health. It's a heavy category of products and a heavy market with a lot of big actors. In our business, the patent has seemed to be a good and a positive addition in our company to increase the value and to be able to argument for the value that we present to the new investors, for example, and the big heavy partners. So, but I think it's very different from sector to sector.
Sure.
In some businesses and some ideas, it's just a matter of branding. But here, it's such a heavy product that you have to have some kind of protection. So.